In this video, website administrators will learn how to add your company's Google reviews to your website. By connecting Google Reviews, you will be able to show reviews that are up to date and trusted by consumers. Before you begin, be sure that you have a Google Business profile with at least one review. If you're unsure or you would like help setting up your business profile, go to www.google.com/business. To start, log into your account, then click on Website in the sidebar. If you do not see Website in the sidebar, you will need to contact your website's administrator to do this step. Then, on Reviews in the section that opens below it. Click Set up Google Reviews and use the search bar to find your Google Business profile. When you have found your business's profile, click Select. To verify that you have the correct profile, click the gear next to Import Testimonials from Google, and then click View Google Review Page. You will be directed to the business profile on Google that you have selected. Verify that you have the correct Google Business profile selected before moving on. Now that you have verified that you have connected the correct profile, click Import Testimonials from Google. This may take a few minutes. You can leave the page during this if you would like to. You can add the Google Business profiles of individual loan officers by clicking on their names in the drop-down menu and following the same process. Additionally, loan officers can manage their own Google reviews in the Reviews section of their user profile. To add a Google Reviews row to your website, click Website, then Edit Website. If you do not see Website in the sidebar, you will need to contact your website's administrator to do this step. Search for the page that you would like to display the Google reviews using the search bar and click on the desired page. Click Add Row where you would like to add it on the page. Locate the Testimonials category in the sidebar. Choose which style you would like to use. The styles vary by showing the average rating and the number of columns of reviews. Make sure to click Publish to make it active on your website. The company's Google reviews have been connected to the website and will appear on the company website and all loan officer websites. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.